Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the Tequila Sunrise. Maybe you can have a few eggs in the morning and bust out this drink. Hey, it does contain orange juice after all, so hey, be refreshing, you get your drink on. And remember, it is 6 o'clock somewhere, even in the morning, you know? Who said it has to be PM, right? Without further ado guys, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so first things first, separate both of our shakers, and for that I will need a little bit of ice. Here we have it. I'm gonna need about like maybe 4 or 5 ice cubes, so don't worry guys, I just washed my hands yesterday, so it's all clean. Bam. And we're gonna start off with our tequila. You can use any type of tequila you want. The thing you are gonna need, it's 100% agave tequila, dude. Anything other than that is not good, so just make sure it's 100% agave, all right? I'm gonna go with Arrogante tequila. It's pretty good, pretty bomb. Plus it was on sale, so that's why I picked it out. 2 ounces of this. So, bam. Plus it reminded me of the little whale in Mexico. The next thing we're gonna need is 4 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. And it's so fresh, has the tag still, you guys. So, let's go with 4 ounces. So 2. There's 4. A lot of like restaurants or bars really just layer the drink. I don't like doing that. I actually like mixing both of these ingredients together. So that's what we're gonna be doing, right? So let's shake it up. And then you go guys, look at that. You're gonna want that condensation going on. That means you shaked it well enough. Bam, separate it. And now all I'm really gonna need is my cup of ice. Bam, right there. Look at that, you guys. There you go. We're gonna do a double strain just because we got the pulp from the freaking fresh squeezed orange juice. So get that strain right there and then the double. Just, you don't want any pulp on this, man. Work so hard to get the perfect drink. Damn, beautiful, look at that. All right guys, so the next thing you're gonna need is grenadine. Again, you don't wanna overdo it with the grenadine, so maybe a 1/4 ounce will be great. It's really, really sweet and it's just red sugar basically. You don't want all that shit. So just go with a 1/4 ounce. Bam, and all you're gonna do is just sprinkle it on top of your drink. Just to produce that little sunrise right there looking up. Look at that thing right there. Let me move it around a little bit just for you guys. Look at that beauty right there. Then the next thing we're gonna need to do is create a little beautiful garnish, you know? So let's do that. Bam, let me move the drink a little bit to the side. Let me move these things over here. Get cutting. Just gonna throw it on top. Bam. Next thing we're gonna need some cherries. Bam. Chulada, ¿no? So there you go, guys. There you freaking have it. Look at that beautiful drink. It's dripping a little bit. I overfilled it, but no worries. I'm gonna sit down on this bad boy. Hey guys, if there's any drink you want me to create for you, just leave it down in the comments below. I'll get to it as soon as possible or anything like that. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And this was Alejandro. I'll check you guys out in the next one.